Hi everyone, I'm your home cook Zui. Today we are going to make palak lachha paratha. For detailed recipes with measurement, check out my website. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Without spending any more time, let's check out the ingredients for this recipe. So to make palak lachha paratha, we will need wheat flour 2 cups, spinach puree 1 cup. So simply blend some spinach leaves in a blender without adding any water to it. Then we will need ginger, garlic and chili paste around 3 tablespoons. For making this paste, I have taken a small cube of ginger, added 3 to 4 garlic cloves and 1 chili in it and then blended into a coarse paste. You can add a little bit more chili or less chili as per your preference. Then we will need cumin powder around half tablespoons, salt 1.5 tablespoon, oil 2 tablespoons and then some water around 1/4 cup to knead the dough. We will also need some garnish for palak lachha paratha. In a small bowl, take 3 tablespoon of oil and then mix 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and then 2 tablespoon of finely chopped cilantro. Mix everything well and keep it aside for later use. So now let's see how to make dough for the paratha. To make the dough for the paratha, in a large bowl like this, take 2 cups of wheat flour. Then add 1 cup of spinach puree gradually while mixing with the wheat flour. Then add 3 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste. Then add 1.5 tablespoon of salt, cumin powder around half tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well and start to knead the dough. The dough should be soft, but it should not be too sticky. So add water as per requirement and don't add too much water at a time. A soft dough for lachha paratha is ready. Apply some oil and then keep it aside. Cover the dough and then let it rest for about 20 minutes before we start making the parathas. The dough has been resting for about 20 minutes and now it is ready to make parathas. Knead the dough for about a minute and then divide the dough in small portions and make small balls out of it. We will need this size of dough balls to make parathas. Take a dough ball on the rolling surface and then dust it with some dry flour. Roll the ball in about 4 to 5 inch diameter. Then spread some prepared garnish on the rolled out dough. Dust it with some dry flour and then make small plates of the rolled out dough like this. Then fold the plates in and tuck the end portion of the plates gently while making a small ball from the plates. Press it gently and then apply a generous amount of dry flour. Roll the paratha again into about 5 to 6 inch of diameter. Apply some dry flour whenever required. Remove the rolled out paratha in a separate plate. Similarly, make other parathas. Dust the dough ball with some dry flour and then roll it in about 4 to 5 inch diameter. Apply the prepared garnish, then dust it with some dry flour and then make small plates. Tuck the plates inside like this and then make it into a small ball like this. Dust it with dry flour and then roll it into a paratha of about 6 to 7 inch. All the parathas are rolled out and ready to be fried. To fry the parathas, heat up a pan on medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, place the paratha on the pan. Apply some oil to make the parathas more crispy and flaky. Once the paratha is cooked from one side, flip it and cook it on other side. Apply some oil on other side as well. Once the paratha starts to cook, you can see different layer of the parathas and it becomes nice and crispy. Once the paratha is cooked from both the sides, remove it on a plate. Similarly, cook the other parathas as well. Apply some oil, flip it and cook it on other side. Once the paratha is cooked, remove it on a plate. Palak lachha parathas are ready to be served. Enjoy this paratha with some yogurt, pickle or ketchup. Do try this paratha and please let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Please like the video if you enjoyed this recipe and please subscribe to the channel for more such recipes. See you all soon with another yum recipe. Until then, eat well and stay safe. Bye bye.